Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of Cash App, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add or link your debit card to your Cash App account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So before getting started, make sure to log in into your account and also make sure to check your internet connection. After you're logged into your Cash App account, next interface, tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. So once you tap on the icon, on the other interface will be directed to My Cash. In case you have already linked your bank account, then you'll have an option as linked account. Now what you have to do is you'll have to tap on link account, and on the other interface you'll have to tap on link bank account. And in case you haven't linked any of your bank account, then this kind of interface might appear on your device. So what you have to do is you'll have to tap on add credit card, which is right at the bottom. You'll have to enter the debit card or a credit card number in order to link to your Cash App account. And once you're done entering the information, tap on add card, which is right at the bottom. Once you've done that, on the other page you'll be asked to provide more information about a debit card or a credit card. And once you're done providing your information, tap on add card once again, and then on the other interface you'll be notified that the debit card or a credit card has been added successfully to your Cash App account. So that is how you can add or link your debit card to your Cash App account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.